In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group tasks ClickUp tutorial. We'll start right from the browser. Open Google, type ClickUp, and click through to the official ClickUp website. This is a quick way to get to your workspace without memorizing a URL. Once you're in your ClickUp workspace, head to the location where the tasks you want to organize are listed. This could be a list or a folder view, but the key is that you can see the tasks you plan to group together. Find the tasks you want to organize under a single parent. Hover your cursor to the left of a task's name, and you'll see a small checkbox appear. Click that box to select the task. Then do the same for at least one more task. Selecting multiple tasks is what enables the bulk action controls you'll need in a moment. If you're working with a long list, consider filtering or sorting first so the tasks you need are easy to spot. After you've selected at least two tasks, a bulk action toolbar or dropdown will appear on the screen. This shows actions you can apply to all the selected tasks at once. Look for the option labeled More. Click More to reveal additional actions tailored for multi-select. From that expanded list, choose Convert to Subtasks. This is the feature that groups your selected items by nesting them under a single parent. ClickUp will then ask you to select a parent task. Pick the task that best represents the larger deliverable or theme you're organizing around. Choosing a clear, descriptive parent makes it easier for your team to understand the structure at a glance. If you see a confirmation prompt, go ahead and confirm. ClickUp will convert the selected tasks into subtasks under the parent you chose. Give the page a moment to update, then check your list or task view. You should now see the parent task with a drop-down or indicator showing the subtasks neatly nested underneath. This structure helps you track progress, keep related work together, and report more accurately on a single parent item. That's all there is to it. Go to Google, open ClickUp, locate your tasks, select at least two using the checkboxes, open the bulk actions, click More, convert to subtasks, choose a parent, and confirm when prompted. With this simple workflow, you can keep your workspace clean, your projects organized, and your priorities crystal clear. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you want to follow along step by step.